Hi friends, do you want to use Windows 11 without installing it? You may be using older versions of Windows or a Mac user wants to know how it feels. Now as you can see, it exactly looks like Windows 11. Now many of the apps work but most don't. So let's go through some and see how it looks and feels. Like brightness works but not the soundbar. The browser works, you can browse, but if you try to download anything it will download to your actual drive. Many web pages might not open. Now when I run the speed test it was pretty slow compared to the actual speed on my system. This is a GitHub project by Blue Edge Techno. Now, this is just to get a feel for Windows 11. Hope this was a piece of interesting information for you. Consider subscribing for more info like this.